Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ashley, and today I get to share my love and passion of plants, succulents and cacti with you guys today. So I'm going to be making a plant arrangement, and that will include a couple different types of cacti and a couple different types of succulents as well. So I will go ahead and show you guys what I have to work with so far. Alright, so I went ahead and picked up some plants for my arrangement from Walmart, and they have pretty decent priced plants. So I'll go ahead and show you what I got. I got a couple different kinds of cacti. So we have these three here. Really love the look of these, as well as these two. I feel like these ones are very elegant looking. And for both of these, I paid, if it'll focus, $3.74 for both of these. I feel like that's a pretty good deal. And then I also picked up these succulents. I love that they produce the webbing on the top. Really love these. And this one I paid under $5, $4.97, and it came with 5 succulents. So I'm paying about $1 for each of those, so a really good deal. And then I already had this one on hand. I got this from a different grocery store called Brolum's in my hometown, and I might throw that in my arrangement as well. And then if I don't get as full of a look, then I might use a couple things that I have growing out in my garden, just some hens and chicks. So and then right now I'm gonna head over to Dollar Tree. I find a lot of my stuff that I use for these arrangements at Dollar Tree, I feel like they have really good, I mean obviously $1 is a great price. I could buy rocks and different bowls or potting containers for my plants. So let's go ahead and head over there and I'll show you guys what I am able to find. Let's go. Alright, so I just made it to Dollar Tree, and I only live a couple minutes away, so it's definitely one of my weaknesses. I can often spend way too much at Dollar Tree, so I have to be careful. I'm sure my husband loves that. So when I go into Dollar Tree, mainly what I'm looking for are different types of containers to pot my plants in. So I will look for like glass jars or glass bowls, mugs, or really any other kind of container that I can use. And then I'm also looking for different types of rocks or moss or anything else that I think will look good in my arrangement. So here we go. So I'm back from Dollar Tree, and I wanted to show you guys what I ended up getting. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I ended up getting a few different types of moss. These are moss stones. I thought they would look really good in it. And then just floral moss and Spanish moss. It's a darker, more brown and natural looking color. And then I got a few different types of rocks. So I really like the white pebbles. And then these are a little bigger, but the black stones. And then just a multicolored stone mix. So those will be, I don't know if I'll end up using all of those, but I like having the option to do so. And then I really like using chopsticks. So these are helpful when I'm putting in the cactuses, or oh my goodness, cacti, and also when I need to make, you know, a spot in the bowl for them to go into, then I will use chopsticks. So those come in handy, and then just some scissors just in case, and they are sterilized and clean. And then, so I did end up finding this bowl. Really liked the simple look of it, and I'm so excited to put a lot of these in it. So I have this paintbrush as well. You really can use anything like a makeup brush or anything that's soft bristled, and I just use it at the end to get off, you know, all the dirt and anything else that might be on my plants to make them look super clean. So I have those, and then I also wanted to mention that I got some soil just from Walmart, and I have a shovel or a scooper to get that out. And the soil that works the best is the cacti and succulent mix. They have that at almost any store, and I think that we are ready to go. So I'm making a complete mess over here, but that's just part of the process. So I've gone ahead and I think placed everything where I want it to. It's starting to look really good, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my paintbrush and then just kind of detail this and just go ahead and get my finishing result. So I'm basically just brushing all the dirt and everything away to really make this look really good. So I'm finished. I really love how this ended up turning out. I kind of had a little trouble with the cacti there for a second, just getting them situated in their place, but eventually I was able to get them situated, and I ended up using some rocks to kind of wedge them in there and hold them into place. But I love how it turned out. So here is the finished product. I did the moss, and then I threw in some rocks last minute. And I really like the touch of the rocks. There's the finished product. And I just wanted to add that the rule of thumb is generally you only need to water your succulents and cactus about once a week, or maybe even once every 2 weeks, just depending on where you live and how dry and hot and sunny it is, or wherever you end up sticking your arrangement. So definitely don't overwater these, and then you should double check before you do water that the soil is dry. Once the soil is dry in between waterings, then you probably know that it's time to water them again. So don't overwater your arrangement, and happy making. Please let me know if you do end up making your own arrangement. I'd love to see how they turn out. So please send me a picture or leave those in the comments. Let me know how yours went and what I can help you with. Hope you guys liked watching this video, and stay tuned for more. Thank you guys. Bye.